Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial illustrates how to turn on dark mode on your BYBIT mobile app. To do that, you proceed and click on your BYBIT application. So now once you allow it to load, you proceed and click on your profile icon at this point. So now once you click on your profile icon, you now proceed and click on settings. Now once you click on your settings, you will now scroll down to color theme. So now once you scroll down to color theme, you now see the option dark mode. You now click on it. So this is how to enable dark mode using your BYBIT. Remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share if this tutorial is helpful to you. Thank you.